The machine enables continuous, high-speed production of double-layer roofing sheets. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. Hydraulic drive ensures that each tile is accurate to the millimeter. An essential component of modern construction projects. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Ready to upgrade your production? Visit Steelmama Corporation. Contact our engineers today for customized solutions where quality rolls into every tile.